Hello. Up for auction in the fall of 2020 is a set of hand chimes, church bells. This is a set of 48 bells from Malmark Incorporated. These bells are marked out of Plumsteadville, PA. Again, they're church chimes or hand bells. This one's a B3 octave. These were initially octaves 3 through 7, so 5 octaves all inclusive in carrying cases. However, the low octaves, the 3 octaves, are missing 4 bells, so these larger bells. So really, this is just a set of 4 octaves, octaves 4, 5, 6, and 7, with this single octave 3 bell. That being said, they are in good condition with the carrying cases or traveling cases. So all of these other octaves are included and in good shape. Malmark hand chimes. Take a look at the pics. These are the extra ones that came. Initially, this was a set of 49 bells. This explains why there are 48 here. These 3 7th octave bells are included as well. Here's the case with more 7 octave bells. I'm not a musician or a bell player. I'm just a collector. And I want these to get into the right hands and perhaps they can be used. Thanks very much for looking. Take a look at the pictures for more up-close details on these Malmark hand chimes. Thanks very much. Stay safe.